Matthew and I like space.
My name is JC and I like unicorns.
My name is June and I like bombs.
My name is Irene and my nickname is Irony, but I hate this nickname. First, we have to pour in the water. 3 cups of water. 1, 2, 3. Now we're done pouring. Put 9 tablespoons in the water. Pour up. Sugar. While the water is boiling, make the shape of the pipe cleaner.
Tidy pipe cleaners to these strings.
Put water and pipe cleaner in the cup.
Wait 1 day until the crystals will form. When we put the borax in the water, it becomes super saturated, and then when we put it in the cold place, it hugs each other like this and then becomes a crystal.